Well, in this video, I'm going to show you 5 tested methods you can use to confirm if someone really blocked you on WhatsApp or not. Have you ever had that strong feeling that someone blocked you on WhatsApp but you are not 100% sure? If 3 or more of these methods match up, then it is safe for you to say you have been blocked. Without wasting any time, let me break it down for you. Method 1. Check their last seen status. The first thing you should do is to check the person's last seen or online status. Normally, if you open someone's chat, you will see last seen today at 2 p.m. or online. But when you are blocked, the last seen disappear completely. But don't rush to conclude, because these days a lot of people hide their last seen even without blocking you. So this method alone is not enough to prove it is just the first sign. Method 2. Observe their profile picture. This method is to pay attention to their profile picture. If you suddenly notice their profile photo has disappeared and you are only seeing the default gray WhatsApp icon, it could mean you've been blocked. But again, don't jump to conclusion yet. Some people just remove their pictures completely for personal reasons. Here is another smarter way to check. If you can't see their profile picture on your WhatsApp, try checking with another WhatsApp account. If the other number can see the person's profile picture but your own account can't, then yes, you've mostly likely been blocked. Method 3. Message delivery indicators, D6. Now let's talk about WhatsApp message ticks. You know how when you send a message, you normally see 1 tick, message sent but not delivered, and 2 ticks, message delivered to the person's phone, and 2 blue ticks, message read. So if you are blocked, your message will only show 1 tick and it will stay like that forever. It won't move to 2 ticks. But again, I want you to be wise here. Sometimes it might just be a bad network or the person's phone is off. That is why it is not enough to rely on just this one sign. For extra confirmation, you can use another phone and send them a message with another number. If the message goes through with 2 ticks, but on your own account it is stuck on 1 tick, you already know what is happening. And method 4. Try making a call. This one is another strong test. Try placing a WhatsApp voice or video call to the person. If the call never goes through, it just keeps ringing and then ends or fails instantly, it could mean you have been blocked. Sometimes network can also cause this, or the person might have disabled WhatsApp calls completely. Method 5. The WhatsApp group test. This is the most reliable one. Now, this last method is the most powerful and almost 100% accurate. Here is what you do. Try creating a new WhatsApp group, then attempt to add the person you suspect has blocked you. If you are blocked, you will not be able to add them to the group. Their name just won't appear as a participant, no matter how many times you try. This one right here is the surest way to confirm if someone has blocked you on WhatsApp. If you try it and doesn't work, you have been blocked. Now, before you rush to test all this, remember there's no single method that is 100% perfect on its own. But if 3 or more of these methods line up, then you can almost certain that person has blocked you. Also, if you want to learn how to read deleted messages on WhatsApp, just click the video popping on your screen right now. If you found this helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next tutorial. And if you still have any question, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.